John, can you just start off by explaining how significant this day is for the university and the community?
Yeah, it's so important. Ever since I started in January 2020, this was the facility that everybody talked about. It's fitting of the program that we have in terms of our football program and really all of our sports, because all 18 of our sports are going to use this facility. And then the other really neat thing that I think is going to be a game changer is the nutrition center that will now fuel all of our student athletes. So that's Big 12 level, that's Power 5 level, and that's something that we needed to get to, and can only do it because of our fan base and our donors that support us.
Can you illustrate just the investment of time, connections, and just obviously everything related to the Shakely family that goes into this facility?
Yeah, I mean, they've been a part of this university for years and years, and just have always supported us. And again, we have great fundraisers and people that tell our story. And I mentioned Karen Hatcher is one of those as one of our top fundraisers and very close to that family. So that was an incredible relationship and a really important relationship. But you have to cultivate those relationships over the years, and they just continue to step up in a major way.
President Pinto alluded to the fact that isn't it great to be in the Power 5? I mean, tell us the anticipation around the university for July 1st.
It's massive. I mean, we're so excited across the board in all of our sports. We understand what that level is and what it takes, and we're going to continue to invest now so that we continue to be ready to compete at that level. So a lot of momentum around that, a lot of momentum around the Power 5 with a great commissioner and Brett Yormark and everything that the Big 12 is doing. We're in a great spot.
With all the renderings coming out, was there any other schools you maybe focused on to really get that design going, or based off of now that the renderings are out?
I think what makes us unique, and I kind of mentioned that, is just the architectural history that we have at UC. We were going to make it our own, and I think that came through when the renderings came out. That you had a really special facility that wasn't just about housing our sports. It was about the look of campus. When you hit that corner of campus, it's going to really pop and stand out. And again, that just is how we do things around UC. So it's really special.
What goes through your mind when you drive by this site?
Yeah, I mean, I'm going to get a chance over the year and a half build here to kind of see it erect from the ground, and it's going to be exciting every day. Whenever you move dirt, it means that you're moving forward. So I had someone tell me one time, if you don't have a crane up in the air, you're dying. Well, there's a lot of cranes up in the air around here, and that just means that we've got a lot of momentum when we're going the right direction.
Do you have any updates as far as the process of the interior designs for the other facility?
For the
Performance Center.
Yeah, I mean that's been a whole nother project, and something that's been very, very interesting to me is how much work goes into the interior design piece and the graphic work that is so important to making it really pop for everybody that enters into that building. It's going to be a showpiece. It's going to be a showpiece for all of our student athletes and fans, but it's going to be a showcase for recruits when they come in. So it'll be second to none and really, really special.
You talked about this being a Big 12 and Power 5 kind of facility. Is it in the back of your mind at all to do some capacity upgrades to Nipper to get that to more of a Big 12 level, just from a capacity level?
We've talked a lot about that, and right now it's good to have demand. And as we go into the Big 12, obviously we're on a waiting list for our season tickets. We've got incredible demand. We control the secondary market when you have that demand. And so, if and when we do something, we're going to have to be very strategic about it. But it's not on the forefront of our mind right now. If it happens, it'll be down the line.
Any more questions for John? We good?